bro. How do you live? Salute. So how do you live?
Good to see you. Well, good to see you.
What word?
Them call you the perfect husband. Turn out white. The perfect husband. You see me? You look like a good husband, father. Representation of all the ghetto youths them that it can be done. Look for the man of the ring,
Just do
man.
it like Nike.
Look for the man with you see ghetto youth, see that? And the dream. See the ring upon the man finger? And the dream.
Dream League, man.
Brother,
Champions League.
you see, seem like people, the perfect husband, hardest worker, youth in a Jamaica. Jamaica Good Life, Gaza. Welcome back. People seem like him are the champion, him are the general. And him make the other youth them do good. And him the youth them look up to. We have one in Jamaica, if we can save one, we can save all. So if you say for them, tell the people them how you been.
We're there always up on the house. The farm I come from in the early morning. You know we have to call link around. You can't jump on a bus coach you go with the county and link. Over there, family keeping good over there and do the right thing as well.
So I heard that the cow had a calf.
Yeah. And the other one in calf so drop another calf again. So the gym league now, if you buy back another bull, or if you look at that, the bull ain't too serious. So we are putting the work.
So now how do you thank the people how you feel like you are graduated of
Yeah,
craft?
we just give them thanks for the person who give his strength. And known and the person, some person you know call their name, but we give thanks to everybody, give thanks to everybody. No matter who not give strength or who not give thanks. I always say whenever I reach there, give them, show them to reach here and tell them thanks. Because people have a bad mind if you reach for in a life.
Yeah.
Negative talk, be a positive.
You know what I'm going to do for you? Put it down.
Every cheer.
You see?
Every cheer.
And you get the Gaza. You know where that come from?
We Africa.
Gaza, you know where you are where?
We Africa it comes.
And you get the heaviest one, you know? Gaza.
Brilliant, man. Brilliant.
So more have to balance it, just center it around us. So
Keep this in the middle.
alright, yes. And when you want to know if you balance, you put it on yourself, and then on yourself and walk with it and don't move. You see when you feel off balance, put it on your neck so and just it will calm you down because it's you know you have to be balanced to keep it there so. That's what it means in Africa. So I know just neck thing is a balancing tool that you wear as a king so that you know so you have to always be calm. You see me I say sometimes when you walk with it and sit down slowly. So them things in Africa is not jewelry, you know. It's a way to remember patience, steadiness. So you have to steady because if you're not steady, guess what? It'll go drop off. So it teaches your life as you move. So every time you want strength, you take it now and now and you hold it and squeeze it. So nothing can bother you now in a life with that. Because it's not about, it's a symbolism of strength. No, the material I make, when I say Africa I come from, you know. You see the man who give me this? Him know Bob Marley. Right?
You know the legend.
So him at the foundation at Trenchtown. Him give me as a gift. I know me giving you as a gift. You see me because
I love you.
you are the one who prove say
It can be done.
it's beyond loyalty. It's work we come for do. We don't come for love, friendship, loyalty,
Just
honor.
do the right.
We come for the work and you did the work. You see, I'm going to continue the work and know that you have this. The weight. And more time wrap it around pyramid for me, the baby.
Yeah, man, I did that.
You see the weight when up on your shoulder, brother. It's a positive weight.
Vibration.
You feel it already, you know, say it light. So for me, if you bring it and wear it for come give you, come here go get many more as gifts from Africa. And me bring it to the youth them for us. But the one here where you have in a brother, it only 2 of them in the United States. You have one in this part of the world. And Henry Eccleston have the other. But you deserve it.
It's Eccleston.
It's a different Eccleston. You deserve it. You deserve it, my king.
You did the right thing.
You did it. So I'm proud of you. Hey, for me, if you give you that, I'm proud of you, my brother. So people, this is the one in Manchester. Will never fail me.
Jamaica Good Life, Gaza.
So, that one here for Jason. You see me, so. Alright people, more to get to you to talk about the program.
Randy, you make this possible right now. You said all over the place a job without license. And you tapping and say no, you can't depend on the Jamaica Good Life and you're doing the wrong thing. Get your license. Eccleston, big up yourself. Nothing no change. I just know you think of change and balance. Randy, Jamaica Good Life. Also me, we put the thing and see it here.
Because a Jamaica Good
Life.
Life,
See it here, people.
Drivers, a farmer.
See it here.
And you try to do the wrong thing.
See it here, people. Also, we show them the farmer's ID because I'm not joking thing. See it here.
Farmer's ID, Jamaica Good Life farmers. So we make the ghetto youth them stay out of trouble.
We have various ground, and I know gimmicks thing. We have enough ground, potato ground. Right now, I have potato, a spray out. I kill out the grass.
You see the student?
I help people.
Whoa.
Yeah, man, I get things some people unknown and I help people with things.
Wow.
A lot of people show me love and I give back people less fortunate more than me.
Ow. Ow.
So, the thing we are clean. Randy they ask me, oh you know real? Real, no real. Now we don't no fake thing boy. And we don't do it, we just do it for love. And we just know it's a work if it done.
We not even say like and share.
No. Them people watching people like what they want to like, you know, and people share what they want to share. So you can't tell a person to do a thing. Person just do it off of their own.
Yes,
Yeah.
You know enough people never believe in you.
1 million. Billions.
Because they tattoo them say no man.
Yes.
We not hang out with no youngster.
People judge you by what you know and I don't have on these for my body area. I don't regret it. Life is set away. I was just a change and balance. So every time I look on my skin and I look and see so far me I come from and I make it, you get your thanks.
Mr. Brown.
Mr. Brown is a good key player.
Jennifer. Janet X.
Everybody. Call out everybody name. And we don't want to call but some people feel left out and say, and these person know everybody. And we have persons who give things that don't want to show up themselves. As we say, when we get stuff, we help others.
So how did the program make you grow? As a man, as a family man, and as a
the program we have enough motivation by the love of people give me. The support. As we say, person give me enough strength, and give back the strength to a lot of people to around me. So I'm never calling a person where you give strength. You know me. To me, it don't fear to help a person you broadcast it. So yeah, you get dig time.
So everyone.
Yeah. So the program help, and I'm alone the program help run. The program help enough away wrong. Me see that for myself, but people now can show and tell people, and people keep it to themselves because they're shy and say they know in the whole world to say, yeah, this program. Yeah, the program help me. And Randy did it for me too. You never stop link me.
No, so.
Cause you're good, or the family, or permit, or everybody, or Jason. No matter how Jason go and kinky at time, but we just know how Jason that. My brother that, you know, 7 brothers, 7 different mind.
Remember, so we build the program for him.
Yes, so we give thanks. Big up our Bolt too. I don't hear from him.
You don't hear from Bolton, Marcus.
Bolt is just Bolt.
Yeah.
You can't change
Thank you, everybody.
Big up everybody. So as we say around there, do a good job.
Yeah,
enough people might not see it.
We get farmers, drivers, license.
We get everything.
Cow, donkey, goat.
Everything.
Steal them out of, keep them out of trouble. Give them motivation. Barrel. But on everything we're sure. People might not know what we've done out of
there are certain things that we just keep in. Just know
but I love. I'm so happy when I see you, man. If you say you can pick me up at the bus stop. Because when I don't have a vehicle, you up. You see? And all the time I go up and look there.
Cars in the building.
Him get the big chain. I him get the big one.
From Africa.
Boy!
We are from Africa.
Them have to give you more respect because you get the big one.
So we're going to Randy.
Yes, man.
Randy's in a life. If I respect myself and respect Randy, I want to respect us. I say going and everybody will respect you no matter what you're doing.
No matter what you do.
No matter what you do. No matter what you do at all, and everybody will respect you.
No, sir. I know that very well.
Yeah, so as you say, that coming out of the program, enough people say, Randy a faker, you know, do nothing. This you just bet them do it for his show. We show people 100 million times. So we farm them. This is a field farm. We can go in at any hour, any time, any given way. Can send a person here go do that. You know, friend. We have animal, we have cow, goat, pig. We don't do chicken, but the feed get so very expensive. What you know?
Yes, sir.
When no more say, you know, we do chicken and we lose one fridge of chicken, you know, spoil from away.
Why? Because electricity?
The current go.
And no backup generator.
I show you what you know, I watch on JPS now get with it. And like American.
So wait there. Enough people lose because of that the time there.
Enough people that get licking, I think, who do that stuff or who have things pending.
So if you don't have money for your
if
you don't have money for your backup generator, you're dead on the show.
Tell you for your house, if you have a generator, when you jump asleep and the light guy, you automatically chip it by itself. And I look at cheap generator, go throw gas in and pump up it, and draw the card for you chip in. You understand?
Yeah.
But as you say, Randy, everything make up life. You have got through challenge if you know how strong you be. More time, I plant potato or checking. When you find 50 pounds out of time. 1 acre, when you find 50 pounds out of time. We don't give up. Because you test, you know. Because farm is a 50-50 thing, you know. Today you win and tomorrow you lose, you know. So we're grateful for everything that happened in our life. And we did the right thing and we don't give up. And we don't go back where I come from.
You see, the program is if we can save 1 and 2 youth.
Can save many.
We can save many. So it's not a going to things.
Randy, if you not teach him how to fish every day, I'm laying for you. You can catch a fish.
When I give you money, you better farm. Now another time they give you normal when it come to food. So we're on the right moves right now. You see me? The right moves with on man. But remember, Randy's a weapon, so watch where you step on.
Second.
Yes, sir.